Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain how left function will work in Microsoft Excel. What left function will do in Excel? When you use the left function, it can return the specified number of characters from the start of a text string. For example, I have some data here with some space, and I have a data in the cell with some underscore, and here 1 2 3 4 with some spaces. Here I have some decimal characters. What is the syntax of left? Left, you need to give a text and you need to give a number of characters, which is nothing but how many number of characters you want from the specific text string from the left side. Let's write a function here, left of. Here you need to give a text. So instead of text, I'm passing this A1 range here, comma, I'm giving a 5 as my number of characters. And it is giving total 5 characters from the left side of a text string. I'm going to drag this formula to below. If you see here, it is giving for each cell, it is giving a 5 characters from the left side. This is how left function will work. Thank you.